I've been thinking a lot about AI art lately because it's everywhere now. Like recently, if you've been following Rostran, one of the famous YouTuber and illustrator, you might heard that he got into some serious hot water within the art community because he was exposed for using AI on his artwork. And also recently, Studio Ghibli became one of the trends in social media because many people tried creating one from their own image in just a matter of seconds. And honestly, I get why some artists are pissed and angry. I mean, artists spends years to learn how to draw, how to paint, and learn the fundamentals of art. And they put out their soul and their work. Then suddenly, someone types a sentence into ChatGPT or Midjourney, and then after a couple of seconds, they get a generated image and they call it art. But here's the thing, and please hear me out. I don't think AI art is the real enemy. Like, technology is not inherently evil. It's not like AI woke up one day and decided to make artists miserable. No, it's just a tool, and a really powerful tool and kind of scary tool. But at the end of the day, it's just a tool, like a hammer. A hammer is a tool to build something, but it can also be used for other bad things. But it doesn't make the hammer good or bad. It's just a tool to create, and people are the ones who decides how to use it. So the bigger problem here is not AI itself, but it's us. It's the way people are using it, hyping it up, and the way it's openly devaluing what real artists do. And that's what I want to talk about today, because this is not just about robots making pretty illustrations. It's about something way bigger. It's about what we even consider art anymore, and whether we even remember why we value art in the first place. And I don't think artists hate AI because they are jealous of what AI can create. No, I don't think that's the main reason. If you know some artists who are against AI, their usual complaints is that AI is stealing their work and AI is cheating and AI is going to replace them. And it is a valid fear, like fear of losing our jobs and fear of it becoming irrelevant. But I think it goes deeper than that. I think the main struggle lies within our identity, because it feels like AI is questioning what makes us human and what makes our work meaningful. It's not just about the job that we're going to lose. Of course, that is super important too, but I think more than that, it's about who we are as an artist and what we stand for. I mean, think about it. Art is not just about making a beautiful piece of work. It's the whole journey, like everything. It's a process. It's the sleepless night of drawing or painting, and it's the moments where you hate everything you make but you keep going anyway. I mean, it's you inside the work that you've made, your choices, your mistakes, and your growth while making that art. And that is the main thing that AI art cannot replicate, not because AI is bad, but because it is not a human like us. It doesn't have a feeling or struggle or doubt. It just processes data. And for me, that is the meaning of art. It's not just the final output, it's the story, the struggle, and the process behind every piece that is made. And it's about putting your heart and soul into what you're creating. But here's the thing, and I think this is very important for us to understand. Not everyone sees art the same way we see it. Some people think art is all about the final result and not the journey that made it. And maybe that's okay. Maybe we shouldn't be so quick to judge other people for defining art differently, because we are all different on how we see something as art, right? There are people who simply want to create something because they have amazing ideas or stories inside them, but they don't have the skills to bring them to life. And they use AI as a tool to create their ideas and turn them into a finished product. And they see it as a tool, not a shortcut to be an artist. And to me, that's still valid. They are expressing something real without, pretending to be something that they are not. But there are also people who uses AI to create something and then claim that they are a real artist without putting in the same effort that traditional artists experience. And for them, it's not about telling a story or expressing their emotions. For them, AI is a quick way to look impressive and to look cool. Technically, they are cloud chasers, and that's the kind of people I personally cannot get behind. Yes, art is subjective and we all see it differently, but I think intention matters. If your intention is to create something to give you personal enjoyment, so be it. I wouldn't stop you from using AI art if that's the way to make you happy. But if you're someone who uses AI art with the intention to deceive and to exploit other artists, then I don't want to deal with you. I'm not against AI as a tool. I am against the people who uses it to, trick and deceive others just for their gain. You can use all the technology in the world, but if you're just doing it for clout and not for the sake of expressing your own feelings, then maybe it's time to ask yourself, are you really making art or just generating it? Is your intention to express or to impress? I know this issue about generative AI won't stop anytime soon, but there are some things, we can do to fix this. First is just be honest. I mean, if you are someone who uses AI to generate ideas or to create a final image, just be honest with it. Don't hide the truth. Even if you are, a real and talented artist who uses AI as inspiration, just tell your followers. Just be honest that you are using AI in your artwork because sooner or later, everyone will know. And the second way we can somehow fix this problem is to support real human artists. I mean, buy their products or courses, or you can watch their videos or commission them. I mean, any way you can support them, just do it. It will help them ease their worry of AI taking over their livelihood. And the last thing is to teach the younger generation of artists the value of slow mastery. We need to remind them that art is a journey worth taking, even though there are so many tools that will make their lives easy. But all the hardships and struggles of being a skilled artist is way more rewarding than, typing a sentence into a machine. So yeah, that's my take about this AI thing. And maybe you don't agree with me, and that's totally fine. I do respect what you believe in. And I would love to know your own take about AI. So if you have something to share or questions or maybe disagreements, you can leave a comment down below and let's have a good discussion about this topic. And yeah, that's it for now. See you again on the next video. Take care.